At Yablotron, we believe in the power of innovation and precision. With our extensive experience, our mission remains clear: to deliver exceptional quality and reliability. Every day, we push the boundaries of what is possible in electronic device manufacturing technology. Our products are essential components in thousands of devices worldwide. They represent the precision and trust you depend on. Our commitment to excellence sets us apart. We closely collaborate with you to achieve high standards. Let Yablotron support your next tech innovation. Contact us to make your vision a reality.